You are going to love 2015 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a six-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.